Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1¼ cups of milk, and 1 egg. Finally, melt 3 tablespoons of butter for that perfect pancake richness. Let's get cooking. Now let's create our perfect batter. In a large bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar, whisking them well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and the melted butter until smooth. Gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are actually good for fluffy pancakes, so avoid overmixing. This ensures a light and airy texture. Time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Continue cooking until both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy your delicious, fluffy pancakes. Your delicious, homemade pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, a generous drizzle of maple syrup, or even a dollop of whipped cream for an extra treat. For more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the link in the description below. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.